FCEL, stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch the short and brief 1 minute video till the end to find out. I am the only person in this space with 40,000 videos made, so I have seen what's making me money and what's not. Ultimately, FuelCell energy is just, you know, it's such a great performance. I mean, there's no doubt around 20% up on Friday. But ultimately, as I'm just looking at this, what I'm not going to do is come out here and freaking start buying like a man, because my previous idea was always bearish. Let's pull down here. Yeah, man, like I was waiting for, this was only going to be a sell if I see a double break towards the downside, and ultimately I'm opening myself to the bullish side, because why the heck would I just force sell side? Because clearly it wants to climb up, right? So yeah, only if I see those corrections taking place. I mean, the corrections are going to be inevitable, because in order for me to buy, they must occur, right? And again, I don't know how you're trading, but at least I want to stick to my rules, because that's what I've tested for 40,000 videos, for F's sake. But if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.